This is our wonderful school! We are passionate about looking after our world and we are keen to spread the word.
We would love to enhance our outdoor learning. Seating would really help with that. Come and see
our wonderful grounds!
The mountain as the sun fell low.
This is our community allotment!
This is our mental health path.
Lights in from the sunset glow.
This is our bee garden.
This
is our nature area.
It fades away so fast.
We'd really like to invite other schools and our community groups to come and enjoy the space.
So make these moments last. We stood and looked out as the colors in the sky ran wild. In that moment, I felt like I was seeing through the eyes of a child. 'Cause time won't wait for us. It fades away so fast.
Please consider us for your outdoor learning competition.
It could mean we could take our learning outdoors more often. It would be amazing!
Seek to reach the heights of the Alpine. Seize the golden light.